Welcome to the Breast Cancer Patient Portal help video. This video will demonstrate how to manage your online account. To log into the Breast Cancer Patient Portal, enter the email address you provided to your primary care nurse and your temporary password provided in the email notification. I copy and paste the temporary password that has been provided to me. I log in with my account. And I click on Login. The first time you log into the Breast Cancer Patient Portal, you will be prompted with a disclaimer. Please fully review the disclaimer. If you agree with the provided terms, please select Accept. If you disagree, please decline. You will use this application over a 5-year span. It is likely that you will misplace your password over this time. Please input a secret question and answer in case you are required to request a new password. You may choose to disable or enable the email notifications for reminders of upcoming or missed follow-up appointments or mammogram appointments. To do this, select the email notification link on the top right of the screen. Please take time to read the email disclaimer and decide to enable or disable the email notification function. After you have agreed to the online disclaimer and submitted your secret question and answer, you will begin to change your temporary password to a new password. You can carry this out by going to the Change Password link. Now that you are finished with the password and disclaimer process, you may now begin reviewing your patient details section. Please review this section for your personal demographic details, details of your oncology team, diagnostic details, and treatment summary. This information has been provided by your primary care nurse. If you see a mistake in the patient demographic sections, select the Change Demographic request to correct your first, last name, and date of birth. Additionally, if you decide to use a different email address, you can change this with the Change Email button. Now we move into the follow-up recommendations section. This segment allows a user to review their yearly follow-up visit, mammogram appointments, and other tests. The current layout displays your 5-year appointment plan details. Please review how many visits you have on a yearly basis. And review the type of physician you are visiting. Indicate your scheduled visit date by adding or removing on the calendar feature. So I'll select today, and I'll state that I visited. I can also do this for year 2 and year 3 and so forth. You can also delete the dates and add again if I wanted to. In the final section of the Breast Cancer Patient Portal, you're able to add a mammogram and a other test. So if I want to add a mammogram appointment, I go to Date. I select the date the mammogram appointment is on. I can input the place where the mammogram occurs and the result. After which I click on Save. And you can see the result from me adding a mammogram. I can also delete it if I need to, and similar to mammograms, I can add in other tests as well. Similar to the mammogram, I can also add miscellaneous tests by clicking on Add Other Tests. I can enter the test type, the date, and the place. And of course, I can also add the result. Click on Save, and you can see the change that I've applied.